Hello guys, I am Raviteja. Today I am back and today we are going to a nature walk in US. It's going to be a very funny, very good day, and you can see all the trees here. I don't know what kind of trees are there, but there are some good trees. Look, there are so many trees. And we are going. It's like a hill for you. Yes, guys. It's like a hill. Look from here. This way they come from, and it is written nature trail. Let's go. It's high up, and there are so many trees up here. Yes. There. Look, there are so many trees here, and there is a pet waste station. Because this is America, there are so many pets here. We need to maintain them. So hard to maintain everywhere how to put the pet waste. So then every home has a pet. Like no, but most of them have. They came this much high up. The brightness is increasing, right? Let's reduce it down. Yes, and please subscribe and like to my channel. Please do it real quick, because I hope many. I only have 8 subscribers, and I still need a lot more. So guys, please subscribe. I have made a community of my subscribers. If anybody subscribe, you can tell me what to do in the next videos. There are so many trees, and look, oh my god, there are the tall trees, and this is the path we're going. That's why it's called the nature trail. So long, it may be around 1 mile. Who knows how much it might be? It might be more than 1 mile. Oh my god! Look at these tree branches. They're coming to us. We have to go aside like this. And it's so amazing. Look inside here. This looks like a forest. It's like this. It's hard to identify which one of them. Yes, look at it. It's like a forest around. We don't really make a forest. That is kidding us. It's like a forest around here. You can just explore things. going. So guys, you should know perfectly who I am. I'm Ravi Teja Guru, and I am from Bangalore in India, Karnataka. I'm from India, so I cannot tell the difference between the Indian trees and these. We cannot identify any Indian trees here. It's very hard to identify trees here. Okay, bye bye Nature Drive. See you in next videos. Bye bye. It's me Ravi Teja. Please remember to like, subscribe and share.